Yeah, today we'll be cooking for some gains. This channel is not all about fitness. It's all about eating healthy or eating for gains, man. All of the above. Start off with some that's all right. This is some retail rice. I have to pick out a few of this. Some shells. All right. Where is that thing again? Where is it full charge? Caroline. What's up? How's it going? Alright, so today we'll be cooking. As you can see, we got some so this is some already prepared ackee with redering. Jamaican ackee. And right here we got a roast breadfruit. Yeah. We're gonna steam some rice. We got some corned beef right here. Nothing crazy today. Oh, you're hungry? Don't worry, I'm gonna get you some after this. I got you, alright? I'll make you a plate. Oh, I got you. I'm hungry with you, feed me too. What's the meat? So today we're not working with any meat. We're gonna work with some corned beef today. Corned beef and some ackee. The ackee mixed with what do you call it, redering. So it's not a puck rice, it's a retail rice, so we don't have to wash this. And sometimes I have to pick out like some the shell from out of it. Is this running good? Alright, so I'm gonna get some water now to wash the rice. Hey, Minnie, what's up, man? What's up? What you doing? Keep up the great work. Appreciate you. Thank you. Cooking some food today, man. You know, it's not only working out, you know, you have to eat for gains as well. So we have to wash the rice at least 3 times. So 3 times, right? Get some more water real quick. Still have to work on my Russian, man. I don't speak Russian, man. I don't speak Russian. Come on. Come on, guys. Confusing me right now. Come on, man. With Russian people. I can see that. Fantastic gamer. Hey, what's up? I'm from India. Okay, all right. All right, so this is the second wash here. We're gonna wash this one more time. One more time after this. Funny how the algorithm works. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. The thing is, I'm in Jamaica, but it seems like I'm in Moscow. I just don't get it, man. I mean, you know, I love everyone, everywhere, every place, you know, but it seems like I'm in Moscow right now. All right, so you see this? Well, we definitely have to watch this one more time. Where are you from? I'm from Jamaica, man. You ever heard about Kingston, Jamaica? In the Caribbean? Yeah, YouTube. YouTube is trolling me right now, man. I don't get it. I'm from Jamaica, YouTube, and I only speak English. I think that's obvious. All right, so let's have a tip more. I think we're ready to put this to steam. Doing bodybuilding, doing work, fitness training. It's good to know how to cook, you know. I have to know how to cook. All right, let's get the light together here. Welcome you all from Russia. Okay, I see you all, man. It's all good. What's that? Is that Hey, what's up? I'm trying to. Oh, Ninusha. Okay. Style. What's up, bro? Always this. Always this. Wait. Why am I getting? Why am I getting low FPS? I'm getting low FPS right now. What's going on here? I don't know, I'm here messing around with the settings. Should I enable this? Let's check it out. That goes with it, yeah. Protein gains. The Superman. Absolutely, yes. Gotta know how to cook and die. Yeah. Oh, you're calling me Superman. Wait. I don't know why. We're getting low FPS today. I don't know what's going on. Don't know what's going on. So I apologize. I don't know what's going on here, man. Why are we getting such low frame rate? I don't know. I don't get it. Alright, so time to put the rice to steam. I grew up around my great grandmama. My dad is a chef, but I don't know. I started to learn like late on my own, you know, just for survival purpose. That's when I started to learn. I'm not gonna lie though, I love cooking. I enjoy cooking like most of the time, like most time during the day, you can always catch me cooking. All right. What are you cooking today? Once more, I apologize. I realize I'm getting low FPS. I don't know why, but all right. So today we got some hockey ready in we got roast breadfruit, steaming some white rice, and we got all good. I hope it is. Thank you. I hope all is really well. You know. Hope you guys seen this stream at least at a okay quality. I don't know. We got some corned beef. I was gonna steam right, bro. Do some chicken, but I don't know. Probably gonna take too long. I don't know. All right, so we got that right there. All right, so now we're gonna peel. Oh, same. Oh, Caroline, you said same with what? Wait, you cooking as well, or you think about cooking like steaming rice? Bob Marley best, yes it is. Yes he is. Bob Marley's a legend. Yeah, I realize a lot of people, yeah, like daily. I got crazy numbers Russian audience, man. I know that. Where you from? From Jamaica. From St. Catherine, Jamaica. What's her name? I'm West. You can call me Western. Whatever you feel like saying. Also call me the best from West. Alright, so we're peeling up roast breadfruit here. You don't know where Jamaica is? Jamaica is in the Caribbean. Don't want to get too much black. You love to cook too? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Love cooking. So I'm gonna heat the breadfruit here with Aki and the round redderin. Aki and the redderin. Is it redderin or bangamir? We call it bangamir fish. I'm telling you, man. I don't know. I specialize on red meat and chicken too much. I barely eat fish. Yummy, yeah. I see people in the chat representing for. Is that Uzbekistan? Okay. Why we're gonna put this on now? We need. Let's work with this. Work with this here. All right, let's get him out. Exercise every day and I'm still not fit. Kids are hungry and I ain't. What I'm gonna do. Alright, so. Gotta exercise every day. Just another day in this. Yep. Yeah, just gonna cut up the breadfruit now. Cut it up. But I run at the afternoon, yeah, man. To be honest, this is my breakfast and and lunch in one. Breakfast and lunch. I got a roast breadfruit here. I'm gonna steam some rice, and we got some hockey with some redder and already cooked. I'm just gonna hot it up in the microwave. What's your name? My name is Wes, man. You can call me Western. You can call me the best from West. But I'm from Jamaica. All right. Wait. Yeah, that was so close, man. That was so close. You're the wife? Yeah, I'm actually single, man. I'm actually single. But hopefully one day we can find ourselves a wife. For real. Yeah, I only speak English. Hey, Patrick, enough respect, man. Yeah, big up, enough respect, man. See, no, I don't speak Russian. But obviously, man, we've been working here and there to better the Russian, you know. Marina, hey, what's up? Can you rap? I love rap music. What's up with the chat? How? So I'm monitoring the. What do you mean? What's up with the chat? What's going on? Hey, Eugene, what's up? What's going on with the chat? Darius. Vazia. Doing good, man. Doing good, you know. Hello, what's up? Oh, the chat is on the video. I can move it. I can remove it. Oh, I think that's why we're getting low FPS. I think that's why we're getting low FPS, huh? Wait, what's going on here, man? Did we all right, you see what I realize is, yo, David, if you're here, the phone is out, the phone just overheat again. I think it's because I'm indoor and it's not getting enough here, like the breeze. That's why. All right. Hey, what's up? All right. I don't know. I don't know, man. Hopefully the phone don't overheat again, man. Hopefully, you know. All right, we're gonna add some salt in this. Alright, let's stir this. Now we're gonna wait for it to keep going. He actually allowed to do the obvious. Yeah, we definitely need some mother for this, you know. We got people spamming. There's no way David here allowing this. There's no way David here. There's no way. I don't believe that. Some butter. Alright, we got the butter in it. Looking good so far. Alright, now so we're about to warm up Aki with the red herring. We're gonna eat it with the roast breadfruit. Maya, yo, hey, what's up? Actually doing great today, you know? $28. How old are you in 28? So now we're gonna warm up this. This is some Aki and a red herring right here. Oh, so David, you're here. I got people in the chat spamming earlier, and yeah, I need to get some people like to mod my chat daily. Definitely, man. I did have a few when I realized they removed, but I'm gonna have to get back some. And this guy is still in the chat. That's VTTVTV. I don't know how this loser is still in my chat. Hey, Anderson, what's up? Doing great, man. Doing great. How are you? How are you doing? Most time I can just guess. And as soon as I hear you, I hear you. Well, yeah, later on, definitely gonna pick out a few. Because we need it. We're over here trying to, motivate and help out people share the journey. At the same time, like every day, you're gonna have losers joining your live stream. Seeking attention. It's just how it is. So we definitely need to get some mothers, Yeah. I'm surprised, I still see that name in the chat earlier. I'm using a different software to stream today, so I'm unable to take certain action. Probably gonna have to change that tomorrow. You've been? Oh, you've been? I've been. It's been alright, man. Been doing good, man. Negativity is a must, It's a must, bro. You can't get rid of negative, weird people. You can't get rid of weirdos, man. It's just how it is. Because my problem is the fact that that weirdo was doing a lot of stuff seeking attention, and he's still remain in the chat. That's my issue. But it's just how it is. All right. So the rendering is almost finished. Okay, here we go. Rice, we got the rice here steaming, looking good. So I'm gonna use a piece of plastic to put over the rice. This is what I like to do when I'm steaming my rice, man. Just put the plastic in it, some water. Pour a little water on top of it. And just cover it. We should be doing good. Now we got Some red and some aki here. Oh, sweet. All right. Caroline, you smell it through the screen. You smell it through the screen. Wait, Anderson. Oh, David actually make you a mother already. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. So Anderson, you know you're gonna have to show up more often now, right? But it's just all respect, man, and love, you know? Yeah. All respect and love, man. Bro, you have no idea how yummy this is or delicious this is. Oh my gosh, man. The breadfruit is like off ripe. But this thing is delicious, I'm telling you. What time is it here? It's 2:04 a.m. PM. I'm going crazy. Trust me, Caroline, I'm telling you. You guys need to come to Jamaica, man. Yeah, bro, I was gonna cut the avocado, but I don't need none. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Fresh, yeah. I'm telling you, Caroline, if I don't know, if I cook for any one of you guys, man. Telling you. You're gonna want me to cook like every day. Every day. Not the best, but you know, I can do a little thing here and there. Okay. Oh my gosh, man. And we got more avocado. It's not really needed, but some extra protein. What we need. Yeah. Trust me, man. It goes like an avocado with breadfruit. Best. It's the best pair, you know. Mm-hmm. We need more. I don't think we're gonna be able to get enough of this. And never try that. You have to. Yeah. Trust me. If I can make you get it, trust me, I will definitely. You know, but you're gonna have to come to Jamaica if you want to. You know, if you want to try it. It's 3:11 p.m. there. Over ahead in New York. You're from New York, right? Oh yeah. Forgot. Yeah. So it's 2:11 p.m. here. You know, just an hour difference. Yeah. Yeah, onions. We got onions in it. Yeah, we got onions here. Cut up onion. Onion, pepper, with the red herring fish. Yeah. I'm not gonna left nothing, man. All those flavors, I'm telling you. Well, I'm gonna have to cut this up. We're gonna have to cut this up, man. Well, it's unfortunate. It's just how it is. Let's get rid of these, man. Let's get them out. Alright, well we still got workout stream later on, alright? Even though we're streaming early right now. Still doing workout stream later on. Best protein is beef. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah. Telling you. Got a pepper here. I almost bite this. That was so close. And that's a pepper you don't want to mess with. Gary. Great discipline, yeah. Need some water. Ooh, yeah. I'm telling you. The best girl, what's up? Extra spicy. Yeah. How are you? I'm doing good. How about you? That's how we hardcore Jamaican do it, you know? Eat out of pots. We don't really care about plates, you know? You're fine, thanks. You look good. Thank you, thank you. All right, so it's finished. Nothing remain. None remaining. Daniel's Joe, where are you from? Jamaica, man. I'm from Jamaica, bro. I'm in St. Catherine, Jamaica right now. All right. Chop for real, huh? Let's clean this up. All right, so now get the corned beef ready. Got an onion. Always gonna have that onion. Onion is good for our nature, stamina, nature. Don't want to leave out the onion. What's your favorite singer? To be honest, favorite singer of all time. I'll be honest. I think Michael Jackson. Yes, it is. Yeah. Bye bye, bro. Have a good mood. Peace, peace. Oh, you're from Belgium. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Michael Jackson's the greatest of all time. I'm telling you, man. Legend. Yeah. I got huge respect for Bob Marley as well, you know. Bob Marley, reggae legend. Yeah. You know, most people would be surprised. You know, I'm a Jamaican and I love. I don't know. I used to play like at clubs or parties and on sound system. I used to play mixed music. So I love a lot of music. I love a lot of genre of music. You'll be surprised. You know. You know, out here in Jamaica we got dancehall music, we got reggae. You know, we got gospel. Yeah, but the two biggest out here is reggae and oh, you love DJ. Okay, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, so right before I was, I was DJ Western. So yeah, I could do my thing. I love R&B. I love rap music, slash hip hop. You know, I love playing. I love pop music. I love uh, reggae dancehall. On the side, I will listen to some heavy metal here and there. You're cute. I think you really can. Thank you. Appreciate that. Music love has so many genres. Yeah, I love music, man. All right, so let's get this together. So we're only gonna work with this amount today. Don't really need much. Rock, everything but country. Yeah, some American country music definitely. Yeah, I mess with it. But yeah, man, if you hear me mix, I can mix music, man. Even if you're not a music lover, I'll make you love our music whenever I mix that. So just like how water is life, also music is life, man. Because we got a lot of music, like we got music for like people who are, especially reggae music, people who are like going through a hard time. You know, we got certain reggae music you can listen to. And it will lift up your spirit, you know. So, if you guys don't really like know reggae music, you should go check it out. Yeah, trust me, man. I love music. Gotta love music. Gotta love music. If it wasn't for copyright on YouTube, I would be playing some music right through. It's time to get the corned beef ready, man. Can't imagine a world without music. Exactly. I guess that's why you used to have rumors talking about people like most music artists sell their soul or in the Illuminati, because music is something that music will I guess capture a lot of people, man. It's so motivational or influential. Music is influential, and I'm a living proof, because I remember back in high school, I love to try Jamaican food one day. Yeah, for real. Yeah, music is influential. So, Kendrick Lamar, yeah. Huge respect for him, man, because I'm gonna be honest, I born in 1996, so I respect, what should I say, like real hard, real hard, real hardcore lyrics are, what should I say, more difficult lyrics. Like when they put the lyrics together, real hard. I respect real hard music. This so this nowadays what do you call it? Mumble rapping, I'm not a fan. I love music that's it take a lot that I can learn from, or that well put together. Yeah. So Kendrick Lamar is a genius. Kendrick Lamar, Eminem, J. Cole, LL Cool J, Tupac, Biggie. The bars, break down the bars. There you go, exactly. Damn, girl, I think we're gonna have to link one day, Caroline. Damn, I think we're gonna have to link one day, man. Probably gonna have to link. Well, yeah, man. Alright, let me light this stove real quick. Ah. I mean, we got similar interests, so might as well, But yeah, man. But yeah, man. I think I'll get some more water to drink. Yeah, I think like rap music nowadays, or the so-called hip hop. I think everyone can mumble rap. Mumble rap is nothing to. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of mumble rapping. I'm a fan of real lyrics, well put together, hard. Yeah, that's why I gotta respect MC like Kendrick Lamar, Eminem. I play the music back, and it's cool to see when bar has three different meaning. Or exactly. I want to hear a rap music that make me want to draw for my dictionary, or have to play the line over and over again. I'm gonna say like, yeah, like people that do mumble rapping not gonna get my respect, as And the same thing with our dancehall music out here. It's changing. It's the same thing. You got everyone nowadays doing like some, what should I say, like some trap music thing. Yeah. So Caroline, how old are you? I have to ask, cause you're definitely born in the 90s. I don't know. I don't know if I'm judging wrong. Because I have it that, I always say like people that born in the 90s. Wait, that was too much. too much oil right there. Gangster rap, yeah. Yeah, telling stories, exactly. That's why, I don't know, like, I can relate to a lot of, I'm not talking like violence wise or, but I can relate to a lot of, like Tupac music. Tupac got a music called, Mama Was a Little Girl. Yeah, I can relate to that one because my mom had me like when she was like 15 years old. So I can relate to that one. And when I hear that lyrics, man, the lyrics is real. Mama was a little girl. Oh, 90, okay. Okay, so I guess you're more. Okay. Oh, you're 38, but look 25. Got you. Yeah, so you're OG then, man. You know what's going on then. You're OG then. Yeah. Growing up, I guess my parents they wasn't ready. So I was forced to grow up fast. So back in high school, I used to work. And send myself to school. When I say work, I'm talking about construction side. I'm not talking about like McDonald's or nothing like that. I need some water here. But the thing is with the struggle, when you get older, you respect that, because it's gonna make you stronger. Definitely gonna make you stronger. New York, yeah. From New York, I guess I can bet you mess with that the Jay-Z and Alicia Keys. New York, that's a big hit right there. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. It was all a dream. Hanging pictures on my wall every Saturday. They never thought that hip hop would make it this far. James Smith. The best advice I can give him about steroids. Well, I don't use steroids, and I would tell him that, hey, it's best to stay healthy, man, or stay natural. Staying natural, staying healthy. He used to be Word Up magazine. There you go. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, like, anywhere out there you go, man, like, whenever, there's a party, you're gonna hear those music. You're gonna hear Biggie music, you're gonna hear Tupac music. Yeah, Biggie is the master of, like, rhyme. Not gonna lie. Tupac is the GOAT, though. Tupac, is the MC. Well intelligent. Outspoken. Yeah, you gotta respect him. Oh, Caroline, I'm much younger, man. You're an OG for me. Born in 1996. You know. Yeah. Kim Star. Wait, what go on? Well, so you give me some now. Where you cook? All right. So you a bit late. You see me earlier. We did shell down some ackee with some red herring, and you see me, we shell it down with some avocado. But now, we just steaming some rice with some corned beef. Nothing crazy, because, as I finish this live stream, I'm going to, like, start another one for workout. That's it. So, I was going to browse through some chicken, but I'm working with this for now. Something quicker. Ahead of his time. Well said. Well said. And I can tell you, like, whenever I listen to his lyrics, like, everything in most of his lyrics, I see it's going on right now. I think right across the world. It's going on right now. And as I said, I can relate to one of his songs called Mama Was a Little Girl. Yeah. Definitely ahead of his time, no joke. Oh, music make you turn on gangster. I hear you, I hear you. I hear you. I don't know. I'm telling you, you know what music really get me? You see them, Until the End of Time, or some people call it Broken Wings. That music right there is when you listen to the third verse. That's how you know, like, this kid is really smart, like Tupac. Tupac was, smart, man. It's like, like, this guy like, hey, I'm a legend. And when I die, my music is gonna play until the end of time. And Dear Mama, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I always keep my water close. Metaphors and all, breaking down bars. Yeah, sometimes remind me to hear those lyrics. Which we're not, yeah, and it's forever. Yeah. Rewind it, not remind it. LOL. Damn, Caroline, you sound like DJ Caroline right there. At least I know over and over. Sometimes we can miss something important we didn't catch the first time. Exactly. That's the type of music I love to listen. Music where you have to pay attention, not just to the beat. Yes, auntie. Now forward. What are you cooking? Steaming some white rice, some corned beef. Wow, this is a lot of rice here, man. Now we can turn the rice off. Stove off. Rice is finished. Whoa, okay. So we appreciate you all tuning in today, you know? Later on, we're gonna stream for workout in a few, maybe in the next hour. So thank you all, man. Yeah, eat sardine, white rice, plantain, big up yourself. Yardy style. Yeah. Well, yeah, man. Appreciate you all. Love you all, you know. Thank you all for, you know, coming around and watching this stream, man. Or are you Western? When I can ask my cat jump on me and my phone fell a little. When I ask your cat to jump, your phone fell. Sorry. The phone good though, right? But yeah, I'm 28. 28. Young dude. Young dude here. Are you cats in Jamaica? David! Yeah, this guy. Yeah, bro. We got a lot of cats here, man. People out here that people here that pet cats like you guys, and in the most part, like in the country area, the cats just run around. People don't really care, man. You know. Same thing with the dog. Yeah, yeah, man. See y'all, man. You know. Always a vibe. Take care, y'all. Peace. Get y'all another one in a few.